Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another Marvel Legendary playthrough. We've got a random setup here with Epic Morgan Le Fay, so let's just hop into it here. Morgan Le Fay has a Chivalrous Duel, which means we can only fight her, I believe, with heroes of the same name. So to fight an enemy with Chivalrous Duel, all the attack must come from a single hero name. So, yeah. She has 9 attack, and then her master strike is each player in turn order gains a wound, then gains a 0-cost card from the KO pile. We've got Mutating Gamma Rays. So there's going to be 7 twists. We're going to take 14 cards with an extra hero with Hulk in their name. We have Hulkling for that to make our mutation pile. Twist 1 through 6 to each player in turn does the following. Put a non-gray hero from your hand into the mutation pile, then put a different card with the same cost into the mutation from your mutation pile into the discard pile. And then on Twist 7, Evil wins. We have Quantum Hounds as our villain group, or henchman group. We can choose Attack or Recruit. Then Explore. If the found hero has an icon, KO one of your heroes. So Exploring is we're going to take a card from the HQ, put it on the bottom of the hero deck. Reveal 2 cards from the hero deck to choose which one comes in. That's the found hero. And then Quantum Realm ends up being our... villain group, and then our heroes are Amadeus Cho, Doctor Strange from the MCU, and Kitty Pryde. Alright, so let's hop into it here, and we got a scheme twist. So, we would put a non-gray hero from our hand to the mutation pile, and then get a different one out. However, we don't have those, so nothing happens. Okay, let's see what we got here. So, we've got 2 and 4. We obviously can't fight anything. So, let's use that 4 for... going through a phase. 1 attack, 1 recruit, X-Gene, X-Men, draw a card. So as long as I have an X-Men hero on my discard pile, I will get the X-Gene effect. Alright, let's draw. Alright, we have Axion, Bartender, Ambush. Any number of times you may pay 2 recruit to buy a refreshment and KO a wound from your hand or any player's discard pile. Okay. That's not going to really do us a whole lot of good. But we will get another going through a phase. One, two, three, four, five, six. Okay, we've got Axion Matriad. I don't know how to say that. 2 and 4, really? Okay, I guess that's what our life's going to be like. We're going to get another getting through a phase. We're going to end our turn. I'm going to think that Amadeus Cho is going to have to be the hero card that's going to have to get me the attack to fight her, because I don't know that Kitty Pryde's going to do it, and I don't know that Doctor Strange is going to do it. Another scheme twist, so we have to swap out this card for a 4-cost card. Okay, so we're going to get that. This goes in here. This goes into our discard pile, so we get half Kree, half Scroll, 3 recruit, gain a wound, and then just 2 attack. But that does go to our discard pile. Okay. We do get the X-Gene effect because we have one in there, so we'll draw a card. So we have 1, 2, 3, and we have 4 recruit. Let's fight one of the Quantum Hounds. So we're going to choose Attack or Recruit. I'm going to choose Recruit. And then we're going to pick that to come out. This goes at the bottom. It has the icons. We could KO one of our heroes. Then with the 4 Recruit we have, let's get another one of these. Why not? One, two, three, four, five, six. Master Strike. So each player in turn order gains a wound and gains a 0-cost card from the KO pile. Okay. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3 here. Let's usually get intangible qualities. 0, 0, but put a card from the HQ on the bottom of the hero deck. If it has a recruit icon, you get 2 recruit. If it has an attack icon, we get 2 attack. But more importantly, we get X-Gene twice for 2 card draws, giving us 2 more recruit, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 attack. Or I want to go this way and take the wound and get 5 recruit. I can fight something. I think that's the play. We're going to gain a wound, and then we have 1. We used 3 already, right? So we have 5 left, and we have 4 attack. You know what? Let's fight this guy for 4, and then his fight effect is an ambush effect. Any number of times, pay 2 recruit to KO wound from your hand or any player's discard pile. We're going to spend 4 to KO both of those. And then we don't recruit anything. So I guess it didn't matter how I... one of the wounds, it gave me one of the wounds, so I guess it didn't really matter how I did that. Okay. Another scheme twist. So I have a non-gray card. Yep, okay. We're going to put that on the bottom. Okay, 2 and 4. Let's get extrapolate. I don't know how to say this. This gives us 1 recruit and outwit. We get to draw a card. And I'll get another one. An outwit, remember we have to have 3 different cards of different costs. One, two, three, four, five, 6. Scheme twist. What do I have in my hand? Okay, I guess I'm having to swap this out with another one of these. Okay, well, we can put a card on the bottom. I'm going to probably put this with recruit to give us 2 recruit, giving us a total of 6. Reveal top card of the villain deck. If it's a master strike, KO that strike. That could be good. Get +1 for each different hero cost in the HQ. Get +1 for each different hero cost you have. Outwit, draw a card. I think we're going to go with Ghost in the Machine. So you get +1 attack for each different cost among the heroes in the HQ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, we gain another wound, and we're going to gain a 0 cost hero from the HQ, but we don't have any. Okay, so we do have Outwit because we have 4, 2, and 0, so it draws us a card. We're going to get to draw 2 cards because of X-Gene. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 attack total. And 4 recruit. Okay, so I think what we're going to do is we're going to fight this Axion Matriad. So Explore, the found hero, has 2 less recruit this turn. So we're going to put this on the bottom. And the found hero will be this one. And it has only cost us 2 to recruit. So we have 4 total. I can get up to 7. You know what? Let's go ahead and play this. We'll gain our wound. And we're going to get him for 2. Which is going to be Stiff Futures Phasing. And then choose a hero class. Real top card of the deck. If it's the hero class you name, draw it. And then we're going to get this for 3. Which is Gamma Draining Nanites. Draw a card. And then if you drew 2 cards this turn, transform in a totally awesome Hulk. And we've got 2 left. And I don't think I'm going to get anything else. Okay. We have a Master Strike, so we're gaining another wound. Alright, we don't have Outwit. There's 4 and 2. We'll get another one of these. We're going to end our go. Okay, I think I can get to a point where I can start getting rid of stuff. She's had 3 of those come out, so... Okay. Scheme Twist. We swap out this for this. I'll put that on the bottom. We're going to draw a card. Let's see. We're going to play that part and play these 2. We're going to fight him. Then we're going to choose Recruit. I'm going to put that on the bottom. Neither have Recruit, so I don't get to KO anything, unfortunately. And I've got 2 Recruit here. We'll get a Sidekick. End our go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I need to still make like 9 attack from 1 hero, so that's still a problem we're having. Okay, we have a Quantum Mobia. It has size changing green for 4 greens. microscopic size changing. And then it says it eats a henchman from any player's victory pile, capturing it, gaining its printed attack. So it's going to eat this to be 11. All right. Let's see. How do I combo this? So I can draw a card with this. I can phase this to swap through. Reveal the top card of your deck. Okay. Let's phase to swap these. Oh, dear. We're going to outwit because we have 2, 3. We have plenty of numbers. We're going to guess. We're going to guess black. Nope. Okay, that's fine. 3 there. I can get 1, 2 attack with this. Let's play this and put this on the bottom. It's going to give us 2 attack and 2 recruit. I don't get any extra. Okay. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 attack. 7 attack. Which is not enough to do anything with this. And then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 recruit. We'll get another one of these. We'll call it there. Okay. Lord Krylar's appetizer. Choose the player to eat the appetizer and KO one of their a card of their choice from their discard pile. Oh, that would be nice if I could do that to myself, but I'm not going to be able to. We'll play this and we'll put on the bottom this card, giving ourselves 2 attack. 2. We're going to play this, which will give us 1, 2, 3 attack, putting us to 5. 6, 7. 3 recruit. I guess I just fight this guy and choose a player to eat the appetizer, KO a card of their choice from this card pile. We'll just get rid of him. Because I need 9 to fight her, and I have 7. They're all from Kitty, but it's not enough. And then with the 3, we'll get another this. I'll end my go. Okay. Okay, Hungering Energy. So we have Outwit, because we have 0, 2, and 4. We're going to guess black. We did not get it. We had 2 choices. We had extra guesses, and we didn't get it. Okay. And we've got 5 recruit here. Again, I'm going to take another one of these. We're going to end our turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another Quantum Hound. Okay, can we do something with our turn here? We're going to play this. We'll get to draw a card, right? Yep. We're going to play this to draw a card. Then if we drew 2 cards this turn, transform into Totally Awesome Hulk. So we're going to get totally smart Hulk. 2 attack, we have Outwit, we get +2. That goes to the transform pile. We're going to do it again. And we do get to draw. We get another one of these. So do we have Outwit? We sure do. Because we have 0, we have plenty of stuff. So that's going to be 4 extra attack. Okay. So that puts us at, I just need to get 1 more from Amadeus Cho, which I'm not going to be able to. We have Outwit, we'll draw there. Draw that. We are going to play this, and then we're going to gain the wound. And it says, if any player were to gain a wound, you may discard this instead to draw 2. Okay. 2 recruit there, and I don't have enough to fight Morgan, but we have enough to kind of clear some stuff out. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 recruit total. Let's use it to get visualize the variables for attack, and then it says whenever you use Outwit ability, you may use it an extra time, and then Outwit, look at the top card of your deck, KO to put it back. That goes to our discard pile. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11 attack. This guy cost 7 to fight because the size changing. No, we have 3, so not 7. He cost 5 to fight. So we're going to fight him for 5. Put the Eaten Henchman in your victor pile and do its fight effects. We're going to do his fight effect, which is going to put... We're going to call Recruit. Put this on the bottom and look for a card that has Recruit. So we get to KO one of our cards. Then that's 5 of our 1, 2, 10, 11. We have 6 left. We fight the other Quantum Hound. I'm going to call Recruit again, and we're going to put this to the bottom. And neither. So we don't get to KO anything. But that will end our turn. Okay, so that was actually a pretty good big turn. And I feel like I'm getting to the point where I can actually attack with Amadeus Cho. Between him and Kitty, I think I can get the attack to fight Morgan. Okay. Lord Krylar's valet. Okay, let's see what we have here. So, let's choose black. Okay, we didn't get it. That's 2, 3. Do we have Outwit? We do. 4, 5, 6, 7. Put this on the bottom. 2 more and 2 of these. So I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10, 11. Let's fight this for 5. So it says Explore. You get the punch up recruit of the Found Hero. So we're going to put this on the bottom. And then the Found Hero, we'll put that to be found, which gives us 3 recruit, putting us to 5 total recruit. We'll get that. And I guess, yeah, I guess we're just going to take that. We're going to end it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, what are we swapping out? Probably this for... We're going to swap those out. And that is twist number 6. So the next one happens, we lose. Okay. So we do have Outwit, so we'll draw a card. We do have Outwit here. We're going to get 2 attack. We got a Gang a Recruit, which doesn't really get us anywhere. So I guess we'll get one of these to just help churn this around, and we'll end our go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Bystander. Can I get 1 tactic off? I mean, come on. Okay, so we're going to get the X-Gene. We are. So we're going to draw a card. We have Outwit. Yep, we're going to draw a card. We're going to draw cards for those and transform them both. We do have Outwit for both of those, so those end up being that. Let's phase this. Why do I keep saying black like I'm going to get more of them? I think... Okay, I don't know that I can... Let's phase this, so we'll swap this out with another card. Okay. So I've got 4 attack, or 8 attack, and I've got 9 attack, but I can't fight Morgan because it's not all coming from the same guy. So we have a lot of recruit, though. So we'll fight him, we'll KO one of our heroes, and then with the recruit, we have 3, 4, 5. I'm actually not going to get anything. We're going to leave it alone. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have the Sky Manta, fight, explore. If you recruit the found hero, you may draw this. Okay. Okay, when we do an Outwit ability, we can do it twice. So we're going to do an Outwit ability, and this is going to let us do it 1 time. So look at the top part of your deck. You may KO it to put it back. We're going to KO it. Then we're going to do it again. We're going to put it back. Then we're going to play this and guess black. We got black, so we get to draw that. We're going to play this to draw a card. We transform him because we did play it counted as drawing. We get to play this. We get Outwit twice, so that gives us 4. We get Outwit twice. We get to draw a card. Or 2 cards. We play this for another 4 extra because we get Outwit again. Okay, here we go. Now we're going to be doing some stuff. We're going to play this and guess green. Okay, we didn't get it. That's okay. how do we finagle this here? There's a recruit there. So if you recruit the found hero this turn, set it aside. Okay. I guess we have 4, 8, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I just need 2 more and I could fight her twice. Let's play this, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different costs. And then we've got this, which I'm going to hold on to. So let's fight Morgan once. For the rest of the game, players take turn in opposite turn order. Okay, nobody cares. Can I get 4 attack with Kitty Pryde somehow? So let's just hypothetically say that I spent... So I spent 10 of my... What? I've 16 attack. I spent 10 of it. That's not hypothetical. That's just... Or 9 of it. So I have 7 left. So I need 2 more from him. Or I need 4 more from her. Or I need 5 from him. How do I work this so that I can get this? We might not be able to do this because I don't have the recruit for this. So we'll just fight Sky Manta. If you recruit, okay, so explore. So we'll put this on the bottom. And I guess we'll bring this one out. And then if I recruit him, I get to set him aside, which I'm not going to be able to. And then I've got this for 3 recruit, which I'm not going to take anything. We're going to end the go. So unfortunately, we get 1 fight off with Morgan. Okay. Master Strike, she gives us this and this. All right. We do get X-Gene now, because we do have a Kitty Pryde in there. We do get Outwit, so we get a draw. We get Outwit off of that. Is there a way to make all this attack? I don't think there is. We're going to play both of these to gain 2 wounds to get the recruit. So we have 3, 6, 7, 8 recruit. We're going to get Lockheed Kitty's Dragon. So Soaring Flight, and then put a card from the HQ on the bottom of the hero deck. You get attack equal to its cost. And then I'm actually just going to end the go. So with Soaring Flight, this gets added to our hand, or added to our thing. Okay, can I get enough to fight her? Okay, we had a Quantum Hound. Okay, so the answer is probably going to be no, because now I don't have enough. I do have Outwit. We'll use it to fight him. And then we're going to put... That's so annoying. We're going to put this on the bottom. I'm going to call Recruit. Put that out. I get to KO one of my cards. We'll just say I played that to KO it. If I play this, I can put this on the bottom. It gives me 7, which is enough to fight her anyway. So we're just going to end the turn. I'm not going to bother with it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we're kind of... I think the fact that I got... Like, I couldn't really get rid of my gray cards made things very, very difficult. And maybe I should have focused on just like 2 heroes and not a third. Okay, we have Quantum Mania, Ambush. Each player puts a non-gray hero from their hand or discard pile into the, next to the scheme as a quantum duplicate. Then do the twist effect. The twist effect is the top card of the hero deck becomes another quantum duplicate. Each player reveals their hand and discards all cards with the same name as any quantum duplicate. In special rules, you may spend attack equal to the quantum duplicate's printed cost to KO that hero or choose a player to gain it. When there are no more quantum duplicates, defeat the scheme. So the top card of the hero deck becomes a quantum duplicate. Okay. Then, wait. Each player puts a non-gray hero from their hand or discard pile next to the scheme as a quantum duplicate. I guess this is going. Then put the card there and then do that. Okay. So I can spend Recruit to remove them effectively. Okay, let me actually do that. Or attack to remove them. So, that was dumb. Okay. I think we're just dead. We have Outwit, so it gives us 2 attack. 4. And then we're going to play this by putting this on the bottom, giving ourselves 2 attack and 2 recruit. So I've got 6, 7, We can use it to get this, which will gain this card. And then with the 4 recruit, we're not going to take anything. We're going to end our turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the Scheme Twist ends the game. Come on. Ah, man, we're not doing well here. So anyhow, another crushing defeat by Epic Masterminds, but I don't know. I think this one was tough because we just couldn't keep this stuff out, and like I couldn't get, and then I didn't have a consistent way of KOing, and I think that made things really hard. And you got to think every time a twist happens, we basically are -1, like we're -1 on our cards because we have to lose one from our hand to put it in our discard pile. So the fact that I couldn't thin my deck, the fact that I was losing, I mean, half of them didn't actually happen, but 3 times it did, I think. So that just made things difficult, and then I got a ton of wounds because of her effect, and I just didn't get rid of any of them. So anyway, this is my plan, was to do this, but it just didn't pan out, unfortunately. So, you know, another loss. It is what it is. I think this could have worked. Her regular side was 7, so we totally would have beat her. And then each time in turn order, reveal a red hero or gain a 0-cost hero or gain a wound from the KO pile. Like, we would have been fine because the Kitty Prydes would have been red and we would have been fine. Between the Kitty Prydes and the Hulklings, we would have been totally fine. We wouldn't have even been affected by this. So the regular side, we totally would have defeated her probably pretty easily. But unfortunately, that's going to be it for today. Another loss. Again, if you guys want to see any particular setups, comment them down below. I'll be more than happy to do them. But until then, that's going to be it. Thank you guys so much. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.